Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. Today I have another classic series and I have King Aragorn. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. And as you can see, this is King Aragorn from Return of the King. And just to show you real quick, here's the flap of the construction of this. A little bit better there. There we go. If you want to screenshot that, you can read upon that and everything. Really cool. I really like how they do these flaps and then you can read up on these guys. So yeah, really cool. And yeah, let's get right into the box here. I really love the classic series. They're so cool and so awesome. Just stand up here just to get this out of here somehow. One sec here. Open her up here. Okay, so we'll move this aside. This in the middle. Open this up now. Whoops. I thought I got it all. What did I miss? Oh. Okay, so let's put that there. And they did what they did like with Arwen from the last statue. He had this stand here attached like Arwen there. Ooh, I'm liking this already. Let's just do this very carefully. Cool. And this has been sculpted by Jason Zhang. I will show you there. Really cool. Way to go, Jason. Awesome sculpt so far that I see here. And move this aside here. Let's overlook this. This is such a cool piece. And yeah, this is a really good sculpt of Viggo Mortensen playing King Aragorn. This is really cool. Wow. I love the chainmail. I'll give you some close-ups here just in a bit here. I just want to do an overlook here. Really cool. This is one of the better, I gotta honestly say, this is one of the better sculpts of Vigo playing Aragorn. Some other ones are just looking weird. There's one where I can't remember which one, but there's a couple other ones that I play that are really good. But this is phenomenal. I really like this one. So yeah, and I see there's Narsil, which has been remade from the elves in Rivendell. I'll show you that in a close-up as well, and his crown. And yeah, no, guys, I really love this piece. This is really good. This is really well sculpted, and his portrait with his eye, I'll show you some close-ups here, is like just good. It's excellent. So let's just get right into some close-ups here for you guys now. So here we go. I first wanted to tell you guys a little bit of Aragorn. He is the son of Arathorn and Isildur's heir to the throne of Gondor. He was a ranger of the north called Strider, who was one of the Dunedain blessed with long life. Then was crowned King Elisar later in the story. He was given the sword Anduril that was reforged by the elves of Rivendell, which was the shards of Narsil from King Elendil back from the First Age. He was also in a love story with Arwen Avenstar, daughter of Lord Elrond of Rivendell. They both married at their end Return of the King. This is such a cool piece. And as you can see, the cape here and everything, really cool, nice and flowing. And you can see the crown there. So nice. That is just awesome. Just absolutely love it. And then and you can see on the bottom there, with all the leaves at the end from Return of the King when they got married. And there you can see Anduril. And yeah, so you can see the likeness of Vigo playing King Aragorn here, which is really nice and really cool. It was really well done. And now you can see his chainmail and then his boots and everything there. This is just awesome. I absolutely love this piece. So cool. And then I'm going to show you here the Ring of Barahir. I tried to blow that up. Oh yeah, you can see it there, which is really cool. And yeah, no, this is a really awesome piece. Weta, just my hats off to you guys here. This is so cool. And let's see, you can see the portrait there. Just awesome. I absolutely love it. And see, you can see his gauntlets there also. And yeah, this is just awesome, you guys. And see, and then the side of the crown there, so cool. And you can see his hair and his beard, really well sculpted on the statue. And yeah, such an awesome piece. Really good. Awesome. And then you can see this hair there. Really cool. And yeah. See again there. You can see his eyes there. Mouth. And then all his armor here. So cool. So this is King Aragorn. Thanks, Weta. Just an awesome piece. Well done. My hat's off to you, thanks. And thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in an upcoming video.